Welcome! This easy-to-follow instructional video will guide you through how to use the CALEX extraction device to take a fecal sample. About your fecal calprotectin kit. Your test. Your healthcare professional has asked you to do a calprotectin test. This is used to determine if there is inflammation in your gut, which helps differentiate between different types of bowel disorders. Intended use. A single-use, home fecal calprotectin kit for collection and transportation to the laboratory for analysis. What sample is required? A fecal sample is required. It is advisable to use the first bowel movement of the day because this is likely to contain the highest level of calprotectin, if it is present. In the contents of this pack you will find one CALEX device, the instruction for use leaflet with detachable label, and a clear plastic bag. Key things to remember before you start. Do not use the CALEX beyond the stated expiry date. The fecal sample must not come into contact with the toilet water due to bleaches and disinfectants. Do not get urine in the sample as this will dilute it. Do not unscrew the blue cap at any time. Watch this entire video and read the provided instruction leaflet carefully before you start. Collect the fecal sample. There are a number of ways to collect your fecal sample. A clean takeaway container, paper or foil plate. Loosely draped cling film, placed over the toilet, towards the back, to form a dip. Do not flush after use. A plastic bag or glove covering your hand. Prepare the CALEX cap. Hold the CALEX cap tube with the white cap pointing upward. Remove the sampling pin by twisting the white cap and pulling upwards at the same time. Please do not twist or remove the blue cap. Take the sample. Dip the sampling pin into the feces and twist. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times in different places in the sample. If you'd like to know how to deal with different fecal consistencies, please follow the QR code for more video instructions. Check the sample. Make sure all the grooves are completely filled on the end of the sampling pin. Reseal the CALEX cap. Replace the sampling pin back into the CALEX tube and push firmly into the locking position. You will feel and hear 2 clicks. Do this only once. Once complete, do not remove the sample pin from the tube or repeat the collection process, as this will lead to inaccurate or incorrect results. Label the CALEX device. Please ensure the CALEX tube is clearly labeled with your name, date of sample collection, NHS number, and date of birth. Return your sample. Put the CALEX tube and the GP request form into the plastic bag and return as directed to the GP or hospital laboratory as quickly as possible. For more information or further instructions, please visit www.calprotectin.co.uk. Thanks for watching.